Good morning, children. Today's date is 9th of February and the year is 2021 and today's day is Tuesday. So in our numeracy class, we are going to revise counting numbers 1 to 15. And we are also going to revise how to compare two numbers. So whenever we compare two numbers, we use the terms more or less. So what is more? More means ज़्यादा. And what is less? Less means कम. थोड़े को हम less कहते हैं और ज़्यादा को हम more कहते हैं. Okay, so we are going to use the terms more and less to compare two numbers. So before going to the comparison part, let's do counting. Yes, let's count numbers 1 to 15. Okay. So here I have the numbers. So what we are going to do is we are going to count these numbers with the help of building blocks. Okay, so I have some building blocks which I am going to count. So which number should I begin with? I begin counting from number 1. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What comes after 13? 14, 15. So what was the last number that I said while counting? The number is 15. So how many total blocks have I placed here? How many blocks do I have in total? I have total 15 blocks. Yes. And what was the starting number that I began counting with? I began counting from number 1. And what was the last number that I said while counting? The number was 15. So in total, I have 15 blocks. Do you want to count once again? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So children, let's start doing the comparing activity, okay? So we are going to compare two numbers. So for that, now I have these number cards laid in front of me. I'm going to pick up two random numbers. Okay, just randomly pick up two number cards. So here I pick up number 6. Okay, that's number 6. And I pick up number 9. Okay, so I have picked up two cards. Now they're here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tower using blocks. Okay, so first let's make a tower using 6 blocks. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, so there are 6 here. Let's count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, so here I have 6 blocks. Yes, the next number is number 9. So now let's make a tower using 9 blocks. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay. What should be the number after 6? 7. Yes. And then, okay, this is falling, so I just keep it like this. Then I have 8. And the number 9. So here is my tower using 9 blocks. Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, just seeing at the 2 towers, which one do you think is more? चलो पास रखते हैं इसको. I'm just keeping it side by side so you can compare. Yes, so these are the 2 towers that we just built. One has 6 blocks and the other has 9 blocks. So which one do you think is more? कौन सा ज़्यादा है? Which one is more? Yes, the tower with 9 blocks is more. Yes, more blocks are used here to make a tower of 9. Yes, so number 9 is more. So I put the word more. More. And which tower do you think is less? Which one is smaller? Yes, which one do you think is smaller? Which one do you think is lesser? The tower of 6 is smaller. So this is less. So now we know when we are comparing these 2 numbers that number 6 is less than number 9. Yes? And when I start comparing number 9, I see number 9 is more than number 6. Isn't it more? Number 9 is more than 6. And when I compare starting with 6, I say number 6 is less. Number 6 is less than 9. Let's take one more example. So again, I have picked up 2 random numbers. Yes, I have number 8 and number 3. And I have made a tower using the blocks. Yes, I have made the 2 towers. So I have made here a tower using 8 blocks. And here I have made a tower using 3 blocks. Yes, so let's count. Number 8 first. Let's count if there are 8 blocks here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, let's count the next one. 3 blocks. This should be a tower using just 3 blocks. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Now let's compare. So when we are comparing, we are going to use the terms more and we are going to use the term less. Okay. So now, comparing the 2 towers, which one do you think has more number of blocks? Which tower do you think is bigger? Yes, comparing the 2. Which tower do you think has more number of blocks? Which tower is bigger? Yes. Here, the tower that has 8 blocks is bigger. It has more blocks. Yes. So I put here number 8. This is more. 8 has more blocks. This tower has 8 blocks, which is more. which is bigger than which number? We are comparing, so you use the words always more than, less than. Yeah, these are the terms that you're going to use. Now let's see this one. So when we say here, see here, this tower which has 3 blocks, it is less, isn't it? It is smaller. It is less. So number 8 is more, and here the tower that has just 3 blocks is less. Okay, now let's compare using the terms. So now we know this. Okay, we are comparing this first. So number 8 is more than 3. We are comparing the two numbers 8 and 3. And we begin with 8. So I say number 8 is more than 3. Now let's begin with 3. When I have to compare 3 with 8, I say number 3 is less than 8. Number 3 is less than 8. Yes, this is the way we are going to compare the two numbers using the terms more than and less than. So children, for homework, I want you to do this activity at home. So you're going to simply need some number cards and some building blocks. And I'm sure you all have these things. Yeah, you have number cards and you have building blocks. So randomly pick up just 2 numbers from your number cards. Then build the blocks, yeah, which has the same value. So you have number 8, you're going to build a tower using 8 blocks. If you get the number 3, you're going to make a tower using just 3 blocks. Yes, and then you're going to compare which one is bigger, which one is smaller, which one has more, which one has less. Okay, so I want you to do this fun activity at home. Happy learning.